Hello, coach. Welcome to the post-match press conference. First of all, congratulations.
Thank
We'll
you.
take a
Thank
few
you so
questions
much.
from the media. First win under your belt and a clean sheet after almost 2 months. How satisfied are you?
Uh, to tell you the truth, more than me, I feel I'm so happy for the players. Uh, the way they given their best today. They were like fighting till the last whistle. They were fighting today, and it was really nice to see that. That aggression, that mentality. It was really nice.
You played clinical football and got the 2 goals in the first half. Was it a part of the plan to attack straight away?
Uh, no, if you see the way we had our players, it was to stay more compact, go for the counter attacks in the first half. Whatever opportunity we get and see that utilize that. So we were lucky we got the 2 goals, and it was not that we second half we had to sit back or something. We wanted to play that football, but the the players what I had with me, it was difficult for me to play those passes, move the ball around. So it was more okay for me to play those long ball behind the defense and Sunil getting the ball well, and that is what we are looking for.
We saw what happened the last time after you got the 2 goal lead. What was your chat at halftime?
Uh, it was today's match. I don't know, somewhere I felt the dressing room was very positive today. Everyone was smiling. I saw that smile on their face, which makes me feel confident. Today they were not worried about the win or the loss. They just wanted to go there and just play.
What is the update with Leon and how pleased are you with Parag, a defender you had put in place for him and turned out to have a massive impact?
Yeah, Leon, he's not much, I guess. Still, we need to have a look at him. He's got a hamstring, and Parag, really satisfied with him the way he played. Last time he was till now he was playing as a left back. Today he played for me as a left midfielder, and he did his job really well. That this is what we are looking for from the youngsters, to play in whatever position they have been told to, and give your best all the time.
You said Pratik Chaudhary doesn't suit the club's playing style a few weeks back, yet you played him. Why?
I think it was misinterpreted by the media. I said he was having problem adjusting with the team because we were playing more positional, you know. But what I did was, just ask him to play his game, just be happy and go give his best. That's it, and that really worked for me.
Do you think making Sunil Chhetri and Udanta play in the natural positions has been crucial and clinical for your team?
Of course, the problem with me with BFC this year, if you see, was having a proper number 9, and then my left wing was being exposed a lot. So my main focus was to first block the left side, and then having someone to hold the ball up front, and getting Sunil there and getting Udanta on the right and Clayton working up front. It has really worked for us.
Finally, there were no arrivals in the transfer window. Are you happy with the squad?
Uh, of course, we are happy. We just got Chisco. That's the one, and we were looking for players which didn't materialize. But yes, whatever we have to play with this. More 5 games. Just stay positive. Let's not worry about the points now. Let's just go play. This is what I feel is the mantra now.